Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to fix the Reels like not showing on your Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bells so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you open your Instagram account and go to the Reels section, you do not see the likes on your Reels. So one way to fix this is by following these simple steps. First, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon that occurs on the bottom right side of your screen. Then go to the three-barred menu, tap on it, tap on settings and privacy, then scroll down until you see the option of like count. Or you can simply go to the search bar on settings and privacy and search hide likes. Once you do that, you'll be led to this page, and if you see the hide like count enabled, what you do is simply disable it. After you've disabled this option, then the like counts will automatically be shown on your Instagram Reels. As you can see, now my like counts are showing on my Instagram, and that's how you fix this issue. If you have any problems still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.